Okay, hello guys. Today I'm gonna show you the most common problem on desktop PC, maybe, or maybe on laptop as well. But today I have the same problem. My PC turns on, and after some seconds, it actually turns off. So I'll show you now what kind of problem I have. So if you plug it in and if we start, as you can see here, all fans are starting, but then it actually stops. So I looked into the internet on the Google, but couldn't find any solutions for this problem. So most of the common problems and solutions you can find is that if you will going to call in motherboard center and ask them for help, they will ask you actually to reset the CMOS. So to reset the CMOS, you need to remove the battery here. That battery, you need to remove that, and after 30 seconds you need to put it back. So to remove this battery is pretty simple thing. What you need to do is get some kind of, don't know, scissors maybe like this, and try to actually pull. There is some kind of switch and it will come out. So don't force it too much. So as you can see, the battery is here. Maybe the case is that your battery is already dead, or maybe before you change it, let's follow these simple steps. So here we get the battery, and let's wait 30 seconds actually to see if that works and if my PC will work again. So I have also some kind of RAMs, as you can see here, installed. So maybe one of them is dead, or we will talk on that a bit later. So okay, let's now put it back. It's simple. So we put one of the sides and then just push it, and there you go, it's now in. Okay, now let's try again. Let's plug this sheet again and let's see. So it doesn't help. Okay, so another thing may cause this kind of problems is that you can also have the loose cable somewhere. Make sure that all the cables are in right place, like this. And also the next problem, the next thing can cause this problem is the RAM. So the RAM may cause this problem because maybe the RAM is dead, or RAM slot is dead. So I have now this Kingston 2GB RAM right here, and I don't think that this RAM is dead, but let's try to put it in different slot. Maybe this slot is dead. So now let's see. Pull it gently from one side, then second one. You should hear some noises. Then let's plug this cable back. Let's try again. Oops, I plugged the wrong cable, sorry. So okay, so let's try again. Okay, still does not help. Now let's try in another spot again. Let's try now. So as you can see, it worked. So make sure you like swap the RAMs, and it will actually work, maybe because the RAM was dead, or RAM slot was dead. So yes, make sure also one of the common problems is that your cooler may be the problem, you know, because sometimes like most of the like 20% of the times it stops the PC because the processor, actually CPU, can't be cooled enough. So the system actually has a defensive program which stops your PC, because if it does not do that, your PC may be overheated and don't know, just burn, I mean. So yes, right now it's working perfectly. Every fans are working, everything is working now. As you can see, for sure I don't have plugged in my CD-ROM. Also, your PCU can be problem here, power supply. So make sure you test it as well. I don't know, I have a second power supply, so it's Spire right now here. So I tried it as well, but it does not have any difference. So make sure that first of all your PCU, your don't know, hard drive may cause that as well, but most of the problems is that RAM causes this. So make sure first you reset your CMOS battery, and if you have installed the graphics card may cause this problem as well. So if you have any questions, maybe you want to, if you still can't solve your problem, comment and I'll try to help. So yeah, that was the lesson. So hope it will help you at some point.